ఇక్కడ ఇంకొక స్టాల్లో అయితే ఉన్నాము. ఇది చాలా కొంచెం ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్గా ఉంది అండ్ చాలా యూస్ఫుల్ కూడా. వేద్ ఇన్నోవేషన్స్ వాళ్ళ స్టాల్ దగ్గర అయితే మనం ఈరోజు ఉన్నాము. అండ్ ఆల్సో వాళ్ళ దగ్గర చాలా పెద్ద కంటెమినెంట్స్ అయితే ఉన్నాయి. సో ఈ టాక్సిక్ ఏమైనా ఉంటే వాళ్ళు మనం డైరెక్ట్ చేతులతో పట్టుకోలేము కాబట్టి వాళ్ళు ఇలాంటి వాళ్ళ మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చర్ యూనిట్లో అయితే వాళ్ళు ఇవి రెడీ చేస్తారనమాట. సో వాటి వివరాలని ఇంకా పూర్తిగా వాళ్ళని అడిగి తెలుసుకుందాము. ఈరోజు అయితే మనతో వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు, డైరెక్ట్ ఓనర్స్ అండ్ ఈరోజు ఎగ్జిబిటర్స్గా వాళ్ళు ఇక్కడ ప్రజెంట్ చేస్తున్నారు. సో దాని డీటెయిల్స్ అయితే అడిగి తెలుసుకుందాము. హాయ్ అండి, నమస్తే.
Namaste. My name is Mihir Dave. We are manufacturing of the containment systems like a rigid containment and flexible containment systems, acrylic containment systems like a PTS systems.
So what do you want to presenting in Expo today?
Basically, we are promoting our high barrier systems, which includes rigid containment, which you have seen over here, as well as we do flexible containment. So flexible isolators, what we call as.
Can you please explain your containment?
Sure. The one which we have proposed over here, or which you have shown over here, is a nitrogen purging glow box.
Okay.
Okay. So this is used for maintaining the low RH, the moisture content which is required in the product, as well as a low amount of some products require very less amount of exposure to oxygen. So we do this. So we can the product is brought inside from over here antechamber, and once we bring the product in the antechamber over here, we purge nitrogen which is circulated inside. Because of nitrogen, the oxygen level goes down, and once you reach the required oxygen level, there will be alarm which will be generated inside, and we try to process your process is done inside. Once the process is completed and the required this one and the product is taken out, we have to clean the particular system. So we have given washing system inside. So this washing system will wash the entire system over here. We have a drain below. It can be used for clean out of the entire system. So we have different type of systems which is customized for pharma industry, especially for granulation. It can be powder handling, right from raw material to final packaging.
Hi, my name is Mihir, and this is a flexible containment systems. This is a pass box. You open the pass box and dump the material and close the pass box. Intermediate zip, open the intermediate zip, then start the work. Work is a two glows, is a working in style. And this is after work, clean this gun. After the finished material, go for this outer sleeve. Thank you.
సో వాళ్ళ దగ్గర అయితే ప్రోడక్ట్ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ అయితే చూసాము. సో వాళ్ళు దాని సర్వీసెస్ ఎలా ఉంటాయి అండ్ వారంటీ ఎలా ఉంటుంది అండ్ ఎలా డెలివరీ చేస్తారు ఆ డీటెయిల్స్ అడిగి తెలుసుకుందాము. సో టెల్ మీ అబౌట్ వారంటీ అండ్ సర్వీస్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్.
This is a 2-year warranty and service is a 1-year warranty servicing. And this is a containment systems. So after using this, after batches and after using this product will
You can deliver in everywhere.
Yeah, we supply all over the world as well. It's international as well, domestic business. Yeah.
Okay, you are delivering all over the world to
Yeah,
these.
yeah.
Okay. So if in other country, how you give the service from them?
We have a service engineers over here, as well as we have some agents which are over there. So agents have their own team for services. But in Hyderabad, we have a particular person who is from our company,
Okay.
and as well as we have a service team.
So basically, where it is manufacturing?
We have a manufacturing setup in Ankleshwar and one setup in Mumbai.
Okay.
So
So you are delivering some.
yeah,
Manufacture to.
directly for anywhere in the world as well as in domestic for all over the India.
Okay. So you provide every services for 2 years, right? Or 1 year?
No, we have 1 year services, but it can be extended services for what they want.
They want.
Yeah, but the spares which are required we keep in stock always.
Do you have any website?
Yeah,
Can you please tell me about your website?
it's www.withinnovations.in.
Can you please repeat again?
www.withinnovations.in.
You have any phone number, toll free number to contact? You just tell me the phone number also.
our phone number is 7383686112.
మీకు కూడా ఇలాంటి కంటామినెంట్స్ ఏమైనా రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ఉండి మీ ల్యాబ్కి ఏమైనా అవసరం అవుతుంది అని అనుకుంటే వీళ్ళ వెబ్సైట్ అడ్రస్ అండ్ ఫోన్ నెంబర్కి మీరు కాంటాక్ట్ అవ్వచ్చు. థ్యాంక్ యూ.